Today I'm doing a painting for someone that I've recently just started talking to. I'm super excited to be doing this flip cup, so I'm gonna get you set up and we will get started. So today I'm doing a flip cup, like I said. Haven't done one in a while, so I figured I'd start with that. I am doing this for Tina Majorino. She played Deb on Napoleon Dynamite. I don't know if you've seen that movie, but she has a podcast of her own with her brother now called No Pressure, and I've fallen in love. This is titanium white and Paynes gray that I mixed together. The rest of these colors will be linked in the description below. This you will not find in the store, telling you that right now. So, gonna put a little bit this at the bottom. Trying to use some different colors because the last one I did turned out too dark. So I was like, I'm redoing that. That's gonna make green, I think. I don't know. Put this. I'm gonna try and go for a lot of layers. See what I can do. The silicone oil I use will also be linked in the description. I'm using a 10 by 20 canvas, so I need a fair amount of paint. I tried to make this chartreuse color because she was like, chartreuse is my favorite color. And I'm like, okay, why not? Oops. I'm going to hold off on that one for this time. See what I can do. I'm going to put a thicker layer of this one in. Okay, now I'll use a little bit of the gray. Light gray. Darker gray. I know this green likes to take over, so I'm trying to not use too much of it, I guess. But I do like this iridescent. It's pretty. Do that. Do more of that. So nothing else has really been too exciting. It's been really humid and really hot. And it's really been difficult for us to really do anything because of how slow everything is opening up. I wish it wouldn't take so long, but here we are. So I'm gonna go like this. Go like that. Call it good. So I'm going to use this on my canvas. I'm going to get everything set up and I will be back. There's two different ways you can do a flip cup, okay? There's the way that I like to do it, like where, whoops, I will take the canvas itself, put it on the cup and flip it over. I didn't put that in the right spot, but whatever. That should be fun. And then I'll put my paint down around, or people will put down their paint first and then spread it. Okay, so now we should lift. I'm gonna bring it up and over and in. Yes, this one's better. The last one really didn't turn out how I was hoping, so I'm happy that this one's brighter, better, happy. I think she'll be happy with this. But yeah, her podcast has really helped me pull up from my really deep, funky depression that I was in for a while. So I'm so excited to be giving this to her. It's amazing how social media can work and how, well, nice it is to be able to contact people that have similar mindsets to you for a change. It's very hard for me to make friends right now. My social anxiety gets pretty bad sometimes, so there is a very big clump. There's two very big clumps. Where are my tweezers? There they are. Okay. There. They're just, oh no. Okay. Last corner. Oh, come on. There we go. Now I'm just trying to make something of it before I go and torch it. Man, this looks so cool. Just the right amount of dark in the right spots. Okay, so I'm gonna let this do its thing for a little bit and I will be back with a wet flyby. So this is what it looks like wet. I love it. Came out so awesome. Like, the last one just didn't turn out the way I wanted it to, and this one did so much more, so I'm really happy. I just smacked my head off the camera stand I have. Go me. The cells are so perfect. I love the lines that formed in it. The light gray made everything just so much better. I'll be back with a dry one. So this is what this one looks like now that it's dry. I'm so very happy with it. It came out perfect. The metallic shines through in just the right spots. Oh, I think she's gonna be happy. I've already sent her a picture and I know that she is, so that makes me happy on the inside. If you haven't seen the other pour I've done for a friend, make sure you check that out here in the end screen. Like this video if you like this painting. Share with your friends to spread the love, and I'll see you in the next one.